Uh-huh.
I have underwear! Ah! What? Oh, shoot. Hey, dude, it's just a new hat. Jeez, I thought it was alive. Oh, chill, man. There's nothing to worry about hats. I'm done. You scared me. You scared me! Hey, dude, come check this out. What? Check it out, man. I put an ad in the newspaper. For what? What do you think for it? It's for, loaning out rooms, you know, renting. They're gonna rent rooms from us. You said loan. Rent! Sorry. What do you mean exactly? I mean, look, dude. We're gonna rent the rooms to some people who want to live here. I mean, it is a pretty big house. What? You didn't consult us first! Aw, come on. We could use the extra money. Think about it. Alright. Come on with me. I think there might be people who want to rent rooms. Hi-ho, Kermit the Frog here. I was here about your rooms for rent. You do have rooms to rent, right? Yeah. We got rooms for rent. Is that all? I'm Roland. Guy in charge around here, and, is it just you? Or you got friends? Oh, no, it isn't just me. I have friends, too. Come on, guys! Yes! Great. I send out a room for rent and I get the entire cast of Sesame Street. Alright, guys, meet our new roomies. Hello, everyone! Guys! How's it going? Ah! My perfect opportunity! Hello, people in TV land! I would just like to get a few things straight. I am not a frog! Oh, shoot. Hang on a second. Okay. I am a monster. Notice the orange fur, okay? Now this is a frog! That's a frog! Gotta drop away. And you see this? That is a frog. Okay, there, we got that cleared. Good. Alright, just follow me. I'll show you where you and your buddies will be rooming. Really? Yep. Right over here. Oh, really? Yeah. Well, where do you sleep? Oh, I sleep in there. Employees only? No. In there. Huh? Oh. Just follow me. It's a nice place. Really big house, you know? Oh, really? Yeah, it is pretty big, I suppose. Alright. Here's where you'll be staying. In that room right over there. Really? Yeah, you'll be rooming with, you and your buddies will be rooming with, Franklin and Bugs. Okay, cool. Alright, correction. That's where you'll be sleeping, and your buddies will be sleeping in there. Oh, okay. What is that? Bugs! Oh, man, Franklin, what is it? What's wrong this time, dude? Do you hear that music? It's coming from next door. What's going on over there?
Tune in to another episode of House of Bachelors when you'll hear